Hello and welcome to the ultimate guide to passing your driving test with confidence, your comprehensive companion on the journey to becoming a competent and skilled driver. Whether you're a nervous beginner, approaching your test date, or looking to fine-tune your skills, this book will give you the confidence and knowledge you need to pass your driving test. Inside this essential guide, you'll find everything you need to know about the driving test process, from understanding the basics of vehicle operation to navigating complex traffic scenarios. Each chapter is packed with practical tips, step-by-step instructions, and how-to diagrams that demystify the driving test and make learning to drive an enjoyable experience. Unlock the door to driving success today with the ultimate guide to passing your driving test with confidence. So buckle up, start your engine, and get ready to embark on the road to success.